So today was one of them kind of days that make you want to just go, ugh. Everybody running in the house. Mom, what we gonna eat? What we gonna eat today? Look, today was one of them days where whatever is in the refrigerator, whatever is in the freezer, we gonna make a meal out of it. You know, at Food by Nichelle, we like it quick, simple, and easy, in a snap, just like that. And that's what we're having. Smoked sloppy joes. With all my favorite seasons and sauces. And then I'm gonna make it and take it old school by cooking some fries with that and a salad, and we're gonna call it a night. Hey there, what's going on with everybody? Today's menu is sweet and smoky sloppy joes, Food by Nichelle. And I'm making it real simple and quick today. Look, I just got some turkey meat, ding, and then I put it on top of the oven, fried it, or got it done basically. And then I put some tomato sauce in it. I put some onion in it. You can see the little onion hanging over there. Put some sugar in it, some Creole seasoning in it. What do I do with my Creole seasoning? I don't see where it is. Creole seasoning. I also put a touch of green pepper flakes in it, along with my favorite 21 seasoning spice from Trader Joe's. And I'm going to make some French fries with this, a salad, and put it on some crispy, toasty, buttery buns. And that is simple, quick, and easy for today. I just didn't feel like it today, y'all. Look, I forgot. I'm sitting up here making it. I'm like, oh, I forgot the video. What makes this meal so special? But anyway, quick and simple turkey meat. Put it in the oven. Cook it. Look at here. See, I'm just so unfocused today. It's been a long day. Do you hear me? It's been a long day. But anyway, make sure you put that ground turkey in the skillet. Cook it until it's brown. Put those onions in there. That tomato sauce. Put a little water in there too. Tomato sauce. You want to put some barbecue sauce in here. And any other flavorings that you like. I like my 21 spice seasoning with 21 spices in it from Trader Joe's. I also put a little sugar in here. And as I mentioned, quick, simple, and easy. That's what's for dinner. Happy day. I pray that you had an amazing one. I'm Nichelle with Food by Nichelle. Take care. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Everything tastes better with butter. You want to get that a little crispy. So when I put that sloppy joe on it, that is just, ooh, wee, scrumptious.